चलो देखो चलो देखो चलो आवाज होनी चाहिए। चलो भी चलो देखो। आता त्यांना दिसतंय की नाही काही कळायला मार्ग नाही ना. हाँ सर कुछ दिख रहा है या नहीं, कुछ ऐसा आइडिया नहीं चलता कि आपको हो रहा है ना. ओके ओके ओके. ओके. हेलो. मेरा आवाज और मैं दिख रहा हूँ क्या? ओके तो शुरू करूँ. नहीं नहीं आवाज. Good afternoon to everybody. I am very much thankful to Dr. Shailendra Sharma, Principal Adarsh Institute Dhamno, for giving me this unique opportunity to deliver a lecture on beekeeping. The today's my topic is employment and income generating potential of beekeeping. As a nation, major issues are population growth. The population is increasing snowfall rate. In present, Indian population is 121.9 crores and by 2030 it will be 140 crores. Therefore, there is a burden on the farmers to increase agricultural production by quality and quantity. Among 140 crores of population, 35 to 40 crores will be the youth age group between 20 to 40, and to provide employment to them is one of the challenge. Presently, the agriculture production is declined for hectare by quantity and quality due to the decline the population of pollinators and soil fertility. And third most reason is as the population is increasing snowfall rate, there is a land is reduced per person per hectare, and there is a great shortage of water. And therefore, farmers have a challenge to increase agricultural production from these stagnant resources. And fourth most problem is to produce toxic free food because today we have experience our food chain is contaminated. Our food chain is contaminated, and we take the example of Punjab, Haryana, and some other places. The due to the extensive use of pesticides, that the food is contaminated of pesticides, and one train is running from Hisar to Bikaner. That name of that train is a cancer train, and therefore the health issues is a major concern, and therefore it is a today's need to produce a toxic free food, and therefore to handle the above problems we need a eco-friendly technology. And beekeeping is an eco-friendly technology. Beekeeping help fight against this problem. Beekeeping is an eco-friendly technology. Honeybee does not compete with the other component of farming system for research. Honeybees simply collect the nectar and pollen from the plant which otherwise go waste. Honeybee convert nectar into the honey, and if beekeeping is not practiced, it is national loss. And we know the values of honey. Honey is have a equivalent value to the amruta. Bee provides pollination services, and due to the bee pollination, agriculture production is increased by quality and quantity. And from the recent data, it is evident that monetary gain are more than 25 to 30 times more with pollinating services. Beekeeping is a side business, provides supplementary or major income to the people in the rural areas. Bee colony can be maintained in the courtyard of the house or nearby the house, and the honey and other bee products like honey, bee wax, pollen, royal jelly, propolis, bee venom can be collected, and these products have immense medicinal values and have a good price in the market. Beekeeping for whom? Beekeeping for rural people. Beekeeping for poor farmers, even landless labor can take up this activity. Beekeeping is for tribal peoples, and there is no boundary for age and sex. The men, women can undertake this activity. Beekeeping is a innovative business. एक नाविन्यपूर्ण व्यवसाय है मधुमक्खी पालन. Because to start any business, seven components are required. One, land. Second, handsome amount. Third, intensive training. Fourth, workshop. Fifth, machinery. Sixth, raw material. And seven, labor. But in beekeeping, such a seven components are not required. First, you see regarding the land. For beekeeping practice, land is not required. Farmers rent bee colonies for pollination. Second, handsome amount. For beekeeping, capital investment is very less to purchase bee boxes and accessories. And there is a great opportunity for quick return on the investment. And regarding the intensive skill training, to start any business, intensive skill training is required. But for beekeeping, such a intensive skill training is not required. Beekeeping basics are easy to master, and relatively low technology is required, and therefore illiterate people can easily obtain a knowledge and can take up this activity. And another, for there is no need of such a workshop and such a machineries. Raw material required for beekeeping is freely available into the nature. For beekeeping practice, the raw material that is pollen and nectar are required and they are freely available into the nature. For beekeeping, bee boxes and accessories are required, and that bee boxes and accessories are made from the local wood and from the local carpenters, and therefore there is no burden for the raw materials. And the second component, that is the labor. The bees are free natural resources can be captured from the nature and installed into the box. And we know that bees are continuously busy in work. She start her duty early in the morning and stop her duty late in the evening. Therefore, there is no problem maintenance of labor, payment, and the medical leave and no other such a problems are there. And therefore, labor force for beekeeping is freely available. And another important component is that whole family are involved, actively involved in the this activity. Anyone can undertake this activity. And another thing is that most bee product like honey, royal jelly, bee wax, pollen, bee venom, they have a long shelf life, and therefore there is no problem of preservation. and these bee product have a potential to earn the money. Beekeeping, why? The beekeeping as a source of income to the rural people. Firstly, the beekeeping for rural people to generate the income. Beekeeping, the primary objective of beekeeping is pollination, cross pollination. Due to the pollination services, the agriculture production is increased by quality and quantity. It is well established that beekeeping increases agriculture production 15 to 20 times more than the values of honey and wax that the bee produce. And therefore, beekeeping is for production of agricultural produce. And another, the beekeeping for production of honey, good quality of honey, good quality of wax, royal jelly, pollen, bee venom, and propolis. For collection of these products, specialized skill and expertise is required. We know that if we do the migratory beekeeping, we can produce more and more amount of honey. And from the honey, we can produce a value added product and value added products. You know that species of honeybees in India. In India, there are five species of honeybees. One is Apis dorsata, Apis serena indica. Third one is Apis mellifera. This is European exotic species. It is also called as Italian bees. Fourth one is Apis florea, and fifth one is Mellifona, stingless or dammer bees. Particularly the Apis Indian bee, Apis serena indica, and exotic species Apis mellifera, both are used in beekeeping practice for domestic purpose. The Apis dorsata, this bee also have a great value because as compared to other bees, Apis dorsata has a great potential to pollinate the crops, and from the Apis dorsata we can collect 36 kg of honey per year. And due to the per year, and if you calculate the economics of that whatever of that Apis dorsata, the one hive or one colony in a single year produce 30 kg of honey, and the price of 1 kg of honey is 200. And if you multiply 30 kg into 200, the single colony, from the single colony we can generate income of 6,000. And from the single colony, minimum 1 kg of wax we can obtain. The price of 1 kg of wax is 350 rupees, and therefore total income from the honey and the bee wax is 6,350. And according to the report from the scientists from the world, the agriculture production of the bee pollination is more than 50 to 20 times more than the values of honey and wax, and therefore the minimum that is 6,350 multiplied by 15 times, that means from the one Apis dorsata colony we can generate the income of more than 1 lakh rupees, and therefore this is the economic value of Apis dorsata. And the second is Apis serena indica. This serena indica produce more than 43 kg of honey, and 43 kg of honey, and Apis mellifera we can collect 50 to 60 kg of honey. And from the beekeeping practice, different brands of by performing a migratory beekeeping, different brands of honey can be obtained. The brands of honey, that is uh, acacia honey, eucalyptus honey, jamun honey, ajwain honey, coriander honey, lychee honey, moringa honey, neem honey, organic honey, means from the beekeeping practice we can obtain a different brands of honey, and from the without selling the direct honey into the market, it is a good to add the value of this uh, product or a value added product from honey may be produced, that is honey water, honey lime spice, honey mango, honey jam, honey candy, honey ice cream, honey chocolate, honey chicky. These products can be made from the honeys. Value added product from honey, that is keep the garlic clove or almond or ginger emerge into the honey for a few period, and we got the more much amount. And from the honey we can make a number of bakery product. From the honey we can also make a cosmetic product like face wash, facial cleaning scrub, facial to improve the smoothness, and many other such product can be made from the honey, that is conditioner honey. And another product is beeswax. From the Apis serena indica, 500 gram beeswax can be obtained each year. From the Mellifera colony, 1 to 1.5 kg of wax can be obtained from the 1 year, and from the Apis dorsata colony, 1 to 2 kg of wax is obtained. The price of wax per kg is 350 per kg, and from the that wax we can make a different product like a candle, and there is a good chance to earn the more the money. From the beekeeping practice, there is a good chance to collect the pollen. The single colony can from the single colony we can collect 3 to 5 kg of pollen annually, and the price of 1 kg of pollen is 3000 to 6000. And as these pollen have medicinal values, they have a good price into the market. Bee venom, from the bee colony we can collect the bee venom. From 20 strong colonies we can obtain 1 gram of bee venom. The price of 1 gram of bee venom is 8,000 to 18,000 per gram, and therefore this bee venom is more much price than the gold. And as this bee venom is used in many diseases to cure the many diseases. And from the bee colony, we can also collect the propolis. About 30 gram of propolis we can collect from the beehives. The quality of propolis is depends on the that method of collection and season, and from which region that propolis is collected. The one price of 1 kg of propolis is 2000, and these propolis also have so many medicinal values, and therefore they have also good market price. From the beekeeping we can also collect the royal jelly. From the single colony we can collect 500 gram royal jelly per colony per year, and the price of 1 kg of royal jelly is 60,000 to 18,000 per kg. And this royal jelly also have a medicinal value, and therefore they have a more price into the market. From the as beekeeping business, many accessories, bee boxes are required, and therefore there is a good chance for manufacturing of bee equipments. And by manufacturing and selling this bee equipment, there is a good chance to earn the money. And the bee boxes are made from the local wood which is available from the local carpenter. By selling these bee boxes, we can earn the money. For beekeeping business or beekeeping practices, many equipments are required, like bee brush, feeder, bee veil, bee dress, solar wax melter, smoker, pollen trap, honey extractor. These all equipment can be made locally, and by selling these equipment, there is a good chance to generate the income. We know that another service is that by bee pollination trading of pollination services. Because we know that due to the extensive use of pesticides, due to the extensive use of pesticides, the population of pollinator is declining. But in the other side, the there is an increase in the horticultural field, and therefore and as the population of pollinator is declined, ultimately they affect the quality of fruits and nuts, and therefore horticulturists use bee colonies to promote or for production of good quality of fruits and nuts. And the to keep one box into the field, the beekeepers charge more than 2000 rupees per box per month. And therefore, by trading that bee boxes for pollination services, there is a good chance to earn the money. Another thing is that the queen rearing. If productivity of bee hive depends on quality of queen, for best result each year, beehive should be requeened. Therefore, beekeepers always use a young queen to take a maximum benefit from the beekeeping practice. And therefore, if you start to artificial queen rearing technique, and by selling and to producing such a number of bees, there is a good chance to earn the money by selling such good quality of queen. Another, because the whole work of the colony is depends on the queen. If queen is lost from the box, the whole box is lost. And therefore, queen is the important factor in the colony. If this queen is a good quality, then we can obtain a maximum benefit. And therefore, to promote this artificial queen rearing and selling of such a queen, good quality of queen, is also a good chance to generate the income. Another factor component is to earn the money is that to multiplication of beehives. If you are become a expertise and able to maintain a strong colony, there is a good chance to increase, to multiply the beehives, to increase the number of bee colonies. And by selling these bee colonies, there is a good chance to earn the money. The in our area, there are many beekeepers are there. They are increasing, multiplying their colony, they increasing the colony number, and by selling the colony they earn the more and more money from that practice. And another, uh, uh, therefore beekeeping has a good potential to uh, to generate the income in the from this beekeeping practice. And therefore beekeeping practice is done in the rural areas. Environment in the rural areas is very clean and clear, and therefore there is a good chance to generate the income and employment to the many peoples. And therefore, and from the bees we also teach a lesson. We teach us a lesson of work and work with cooperation. be always continuously busy in his work, division of work, respect others, respect for one, working for others, work together, work with cooperation to each other. Devotion is also one of the significant character of honeybee, and therefore bee is the best business to generate the income. Bee is the best component of make in India. Bee pollination increases crop yield by 40 to 150% or more. That depends on the crop. B. Enhancement good quality or export quality of food and fruits. Beekeeping production of good quality of seeds, guarantee of 100% germination. Production of good quality of honey, pollen, propolis, venom and royal jelly. Production of value added product using bee product. Increasing rural based cottage industry in the country. No new employment generation by way of rural beekeeping extension, accelerating the development of national economy, family solvency through additional income broadly in the rural areas, eco-friendly promotions and development of forests, balancing the ecosystem and maintenance of biodiversity. And secondly, be product produced in a rural Bharat and marketed in the urban India. It is the good thing. And according to the Einstein, the when no more bees, no more pollination, no more plants, no more animal, no more man, and therefore save the bees and save the bees. Thank you.